So at long last, I bought them. I got the Master Airscrew props. Now they're called the DJI Avata 2 Stealth Upgrade. And I'll be honest guys, they're pretty good. I mean, you can tell the quality, if I can just get that right for you. And if I compare with my cheapos, you can see there's a little bit of slight difference in quality there. I mean, they are slightly bigger, and you can tell the difference. Now, I'll be honest, because I bought these, I didn't think they were cheap myself personally. I know, you know, they're made in the US, but that should make a difference. This is the packet it come in. There wasn't a lot in there, to be honest. There is just obviously the 4 props. You get a spare set of screws, which is handy, and that's it. No instructions or nothing like that, but what it does say is you go onto the website. And if you go onto the website, it tells you how to put the props on. So I'm just going to go through first what's the difference between the Master Airscrew props and to what other props you got, especially the ones that I bought off Amazon. Low noise. Now I'm going to do a demo between when I had these on, and they're no difference to the DJI ones. Obviously these are cheaper, and obviously give you a demo of this noise. Power reserve. Yeah, wasn't really sure what that meant, but apparently it's better flying. Me personally, I didn't notice much difference really, but I'm not I'm not classed as a FPV pilot really. And the other one was improved efficiency, extended flight time. Now, some of my friends, they've got the Avata, which is the older version, and their props are a lot wider, and they both said that you get a couple extra minutes flight time, which means quite a lot when you're sort of engaged in flying. I personally didn't notice much myself. I don't really take much notice of flight time other than once I know we're down about 21%, I know it's time to bring the drone in, but they seem to think, yeah, you get a couple of minutes. I didn't think I noticed that really. Improved safety. Now, obviously what they're on about is visibility, because that's another reason why I bought these props, is what I noticed, obviously with the DJI ones, they're black. And when this gets stuck in a bush or something in the undergrowth, it's just, it's really difficult to find. So having these bright coloured props on, you know, especially the Amazon ones, I had the blue ones as well. Yeah, it makes things a lot easier to find. The other thing is that I had a major problem with, to be honest. With the DJI ones, they got dots on them, because obviously each prop goes in a different direction. So when I went onto the website, they said that on the props they're marked, and to be honest, I can hardly see it, even using a magnifier. But there are on the arms, they've got CW or CCW. Now, if it's got CW, it's clockwise, and CCW is anti-clockwise. All I'd done in the end is I just copied how the blades were on my drone previously. I had a major problem that why they didn't do what DJI do. DJI put like white dots and black dots or something like that, but I found that a little bit annoying. But you know, it's no big deal. I mean, I know with these were just as bad. And I think on this one, if I'm right in thinking, you got the white dots there, yeah? Which, you know, that's a help, except when I put them on the drone, they were still the wrong way around. So yeah, so I can't sort of moan at that really. Anyway, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you the differences in sound, see if you can notice any difference in sound, and then I'll do a flight with the old props. Now, obviously this is the thing about price. Now these I bought off Amazon. I didn't have them sent from the US, because I know if I ordered it off their website, I would have to pay postage, and that would have probably whacked up the price a bit. So on Amazon here in Spain, I got them for 17.99 euros, whereas these cheapies I got from Amazon only cost me 9.62 euros. So we're talking double the price. And to be honest, I've been flying my drone around quite a while with these on, no problems with it. And the other thing as well, with the cheapos, I actually got a proper screwdriver to take these off on and off. Don't get nothing on this one. But anyway, hey ho. I know a lot of people say good stuff about the Master Airscrew. Just a pity they didn't send me anyone for free, but I'm not moaning about that really. So shall we get on with the noise test? This first bit, I want to do a sound test to do with the ones that are already on there now. They're not the originals. I don't honestly think the originals, all these, will make any difference in sound, but we'll see. Now I'm going to remove my mic that's here, and we're just going to do it close up just to compare the sound as well. So this is the first time I've flown this drone with the new props on, so I'm just going to see, I'm just going to have a quick fly around the building and just see how it copes. Hopefully no crashes.